Hi, and welcome to another junk journal with me. We are doing the second and currently last spread in this little spiral bound junk journal, which is such a pity. I feel so bad for the little journal, but I wasn't feeling it, so I had to switch to another one, which you will see in my next journal, junk journal with me. So for this one, I'm working on a Feel Good February prompt, and I will list those below in the description box. And for today's spread, I am choosing the prompt for January 10th, which is 10 things that make you happy. And the idea behind this spread was to take an image, and so you see here the image I chose is one of a bird on a branch, which was on a paper bag that I had received from a stationery store. And what I'm doing here is I am tracing the outlines of a little tag, and I wanted to do this with my punch, but the paper was too thin, so I will have to manually cut it, which is actually quite okay because I think this way it's more accurate. So I wanted to do 10 tags and cut them and lay them out in a way that it kind of forms, so it's kind of like a puzzle that in the end forms again this image of the bird. But I wanted to have them as flip out so that on the back I could write the 10 things. So I made 10 tags, and on the back of each tag, which I'm going to attach with washi, I wrote something that makes me happy. So here I am just finishing cutting out those tag shapes. And then I thought the paper was too thin to use as a flip out, so I decided to back it with my marbled beige cardstock, which I am going to actually use the punch on just because it's quicker. So I'm just gonna lay those out and see if that actually works, what my plan was. And here I'm just erasing all the pencil lines. Yeah, maybe while you watch me construct the rest, because I think it's pretty self-explanatory, I could read you my list of 10 things that make me happy, and they are in no particular order. They're just random and just whatever came to my mind. So one was walking on an empty beach collecting seashells. Such a classic, I'm guessing. Creating in my junk journals. So I was very happy doing this spread, obviously. Making my hubby laugh. Connecting with like-minded crafters. Walking in the forest in a summer rain. Jogging at Schönbrunn Castle early in the morning. So this castle is it's in Vienna, and I have to take a few U-Bahn stops to get there, but it's so worth it. If I make it there by 6:30, like when the days are longer, and it starts getting light at that time, oh my god, it's the best. You see some animals there, and it's a huge park, and it has a forest there as well, and it's just absolutely breathtaking. So no better start to a day than to jogging there, and I'm so grateful that I can do that. So I'm just waiting for it to get warmer again. But yeah, so getting back, I have 4 more. Shopping for craft supplies. I think that's one that most of us would make happy. Snuggling up to my hubby. Sitting on my sofa with chai latte and a great book. And lastly, laughing oh, sorry, not laughing, hanging out with my BFFs. So that's what happens when you can't read your own handwriting. Yeah, so those are my 10 things. And now what am I doing now? I'm just attaching them with washi so that I can flip them out. And here I'm just trying it out to see if it actually works. Somewhere a bit crooked, but overall I like they fit really well. How they fit really well together, so that was nice. And then I just wanted to stamp the word happy using my Recollections clickable alphabet. You can find something similar on Amazon if you're looking for these. I got these at Michael's in the States, but I've seen on Amazon they have them from a different brand if you put in clickable alphabet stamps. Yeah, and I just added the date, and that is it. That's the spread. Very simple and fun to do. So hope this inspired you. Thank you so much for stopping by, and hope to see you next time. Bye.